So we're here in New York City at the Kimberly Hotel, and you know that it's difficult to book a hot tub suite in Manhattan at a luxury hotel, but we're going to check into one now and show you what it's all about, so come on along. So here we are, room 23B on the 23rd floor. This is one of their executive guest rooms, and by New York City standards, it's quite spacious. It's got a king bed with luxurious and super comfortable bedding. Step outside onto the balcony, and you get to take in the views of the Midtown Manhattan skyline from the 23rd floor. Now let's talk a little bit about the jetted tub. It's a jacuzzi tub located by the window in the marble bathroom. It's large enough for one person or maybe two smaller people. It is nice and deep though, much deeper than a lot of corner whirlpool tubs you find in smaller hotels. Here's some more 4K video of this romantic jetted tub suite, shot on location here in Midtown Manhattan. The hot water seemed lukewarm at first, but we just gave it about 5 minutes and it heated up nicely. The jets performed flawlessly. Now the walk-in shower is also pretty special. It's not only extra large, but it's got a rain shower head and body jets on the walls. So all around you're getting a real luxury master bath suite here. The Kimberly also has a gorgeous rooftop restaurant on the penthouse 30th floor, where we went up for drinks and snacks at around 5 p.m. The downstairs lobby is also beautiful, and the friendly doormen were always there to open the doors for us or help with luggage. You can expect rates at this New York hotel to start at around $600 or more per night before taxes if you're booking for 2025 and 2026. We can highly recommend the Kimberly Hotel for a honeymoon suite or anniversary getaway in New York City. We give it our ERV rating of 92%, the highest of any hot tub suite we've seen in Manhattan. Thanks for joining us here on ExcellentRomanticVacations.com.